She wanna fuck me cause I'm next up. Been chasing them hoes, got my check up. Spend like 50 racks on a necklace. Got my money right, ain't nothing you can tell us. I'ma count out of these bands by myself. Count 100 million, I ain't even know.
What up, Gunsmoke community, Instagram community, YouTube? We over here doing a video. Finna go to the range, and I'm gonna show you what I'm taking today. This range day was supposed to be strictly on my Radical 556 budget build, and the problem that we had last time at the range with the losing pressure in the trigger, and I was not allowed to shoot. So I got a I'm not even gonna lie to you, I forgot the correct term.
It's called anti-walk pins. Callie on the fucking camera today.
Anti-walk pins. I got them installed, so I'm gonna go today and see how that works. Along with Marcus, the cameraman, we're going to do basically a family range day because we're gonna have his mother and his two brothers with us today. So let me show you what I'm rolling out with today. I will be taking, of course, and I'm going to show y'all what I was talking about as far as the problem I was having prior to going to the gun range, and hopefully what won't happen when I go today. Well, damn. So, okay, so this is not in here right, but it works. What happened was I had to get these two pins because my trigger, my binary trigger, I guess when I put it on binary mode, the rapidness of the trigger going, it got loose and I was losing pressure. So the shit would not work. Excuse the language. The gun would not work. So I got some better ones installed, and we're going to see how that works. Along with taking that, today I will be taking my my AR-15A1. Now y'all might be like, what is the difference of an AR-15, blase, the letters afterwards? I'm thinking the only difference is your handguard. I think this is the reason it's called an A1, plus what you got this too.
That can't be deleted. It's going to stay
Yeah,
there.
this is part of the gun. It's welded. So this will not be coming off. But I think this is why it's called an A1, which in another video, my baby girl, my daughter, for her late birthday present, she ordered me a new handguard to make this look more sexy. We'll see that in another video. But I'm taking this. I will be taking the Scorpion out today because I will have a lady with me. His mother, Marcus's mom, will be with us, and she will be shooting. And I tend to see a lot of females love this gun right here. My mom has shot this gun. She shot it like she was a sniper. My baby mother has shot this gun. She shot it like she was a sniper. Matter of fact, I took it away from her because she was too good with it. And I'm not trying to get murked with my own pistol. So we will be taking this. And that's it with like the
Shout out to the Scorpion, Mom.
ARs and the sub pistol shit. Also, I will be taking my Canik TP9, and I will be also with my everyday carry the Canik Pro MC Prime, which I really need to do another video on this because y'all never seen this properly shot. I need to catch up, excuse me. But this is what we'll be taking to the range today. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Gunsmoke, Gunsmoke.
They running around.
So yeah, like I was saying about the Scorpion, you see how good Marcus' mom was handling that like a pro. Every shot she took, it was either hitting chest or head. So I don't know Diddy. So I don't know what it is about the Scorpion, but I really suggest that as a good gun for a woman as a if you're a truck driver or I don't know, SUV. It's a good truck gun
Single mom every day.
or backpack gun. You know, you go on a soccer practice, you don't know what's gonna pop up. That Scorpion is gonna handle everything for you, and it's good with women for some reason. Like I said, Marcus' mom handled it well, my mother handled it well, and my baby mother handled it well. And yeah, so let's go back to the video and watch her continue shooting.
PS90.
PS90
Yep, PS90.
all right,
Say 5.7.
and 5.7. All right, let me see what you're doing with that.
Let's see. Jam.
It jammed. The bullet just
Yeah, it did. Down here. Okay. What gun not to get?
See, you want Call of Duty shit,
What gun not to get?
and I wanted one too. Not.
This is not good.
I think it's
Jams.
over with, homie. It's not a good gun. Bullets left in it?
Huh?
There's bullets left?
What those are here?
Let me pause this video real quick. Now, this PS90, I never heard of. I never shot before. I did shoot it in the video. No, I did not shoot it in the video, but I did shoot it. It's a piece of shit. The bullets were falling out of the handguard. Like 2 or 3 bullets fell out of that. It kept jamming. I don't know. I did not like it. Let's go back to the video.
Message.
Marcus with the Scorpion.
I'm here.
I don't know what you were aiming for.
Top one.
No, you ain't touch it.
Huh?
You ain't hit it at all.
I ain't hit it.
Your mom, that's all your mom. On the bottom of that,
No, not the bottom, the top. Yeah, I ain't hit nothing.
I'm saying you ain't hit
Hold
shit. Your mom's busting better than you. And that's on tape. Okay, there you go. You missed. You're in. You're in. You're in. You're in. You're out of bullets. Okay, guys, we're back. I had went and got these. I forgot what they're called, but they don't get loose. They're supposed to hold my trigger in place. That's why I kept losing pressure last time. So first, we're gonna do a couple rounds of semi-automatic first. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, Gunsmoke family, we're done at the range. I'm back home. First, let me talk about my budget build 5.56 Radical. Now, as y'all seen in the video, she worked like a jewel. The not firing pins, but the Kelly, what are they called?
Anti-walk pins.
The anti-walk pins was the problem. That's why I was losing pressure in the trigger every time I put the gun in binary mode, or as you YNs will call it, fully automatic. So she works beautiful. She shoots mwah, like a filet mignon. You know what I'm saying? Medium rare. That's how I like my meat. And it was killing it. I love her. Only thing now I need to do to her is suppress this girl, and I'm gonna be fully done with this build. And I'm not gonna. I might now budget build.
He's gonna change that out later.
Yes, this has to go because I will say this: I did not see improvement in my vision with this.
So I was right.
Yeah, with the budget built magnifier. This magnifier, I mean, only paid I think $150 for both of them. The red dot and the magnifier, they came together with a package.
Now, don't get me wrong, ladies and gentlemen. It is a nice magnifier, but it's not. I wouldn't say it's tactical. It's for like an everyday, normal guy. But
Yeah, I'm gonna say that too because I was at the gun range and my furthest distance was at 50 feet. So I really need to get her outside and then see what it can do. But
get her to outside range.
I live at least 100 feet or more.
And then we'll see if that's accurate, and then we'll tell you.
Yeah, I'll give you another opinion on it. But indoor range, you don't need this. You're good with the red dot. I shot it with this on. I don't have any video of me on it because I didn't have a cameraman. But when I was shooting it by myself, it